Snowy crunch meets a velvety center. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of our bakery to master the coconut cream crunch bar. Before we dive into the technicalities, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more professional pastry insights. Precision is key. We start with 300 grams, roughly 3 cups, of unsweetened shredded coconut. Avoid sweetened flakes as the moisture content is too high and will ruin the structural snap. Like this video if you appreciate the science behind the bake. Technical step, we are hydrating the fibers. Slowly fold in 1 cup of chilled heavy whipping cream. You want a 36% milk fat content to ensure the bar remains creamy yet firm when frozen. Comment below if you've ever tried making your own candy bars before. Transfer the mix to an 8x8 pan. Using a metal spatula, press with 5 pounds of pressure to eliminate air pockets. This compaction is what creates that signature crunch when you bite through. If you're finding these tips helpful, share this video with a friend who loves baking. The stabilization phase. Freeze the base for exactly 2 hours at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the heavy cream fats crystallize, locking the coconut in place for the slicing stage. Don't skip this, or your bars will crumble during dipping. Once solid, use a heated chef's knife, dipped in hot water and wiped dry, to cut 1 by 3 inch portions. Clean edges are vital for an even chocolate enrobing. If you're following along at home, tell us your progress in the comments. For the shell, melt 200 grams of 60% cacao chocolate. We add 1 tablespoon of refined coconut oil to lower the viscosity. This allows for a thinner, crispier coating that doesn't overpower the coconut. Keep your temperature around 110 degrees Fahrenheit for the perfect gloss. Submerge each chilled bar quickly. The temperature differential between the frozen coconut and the warm chocolate creates an instant set. Work fast. Subscribe now so you never miss these technical deep dives into confectionery. Let them rest in the fridge for 20 minutes to finalize the temper. The result? A professional-grade bar with a snowy, hydrated interior and a sharp chocolate snap. If you hit that perfect texture, let us know in the comment section. There you have it, the ultimate coconut cream crunch bar. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, share it with your foodie community, and most importantly, subscribe for more bakery secrets. Happy baking!